what's going on? It's Skelly.
And it's Scully here.
And as the time we're recording this, by the way, if you didn't see the last video, I'm sleeping over at his house, so I'm wearing this mask, and because I forgot my jacket, and it's hot as heck out here. By the time we're recording this, it is the 4th of July, and we're out here doing fireworks with his family. So basically, we got the fire going right now. The ones we've seen so far were pretty lame, but they were kind of cool, so let's see what happens next. Alright, we're taking a break right now, so Scully, you got anything to say?
Hi, are you guys, and welcome back to a new trend of Scully here.
Oh my
Scully
god.
and his family.
Well, dude, we're doing fireworks. We can show their faces because like they don't have YouTube channels. I mean, no one's gonna know their
Only
identity.
one person
either.
has a YouTube channel that's called Ryberry.
And Mariana's not here right now, though. Yeah, we're going into a dark area right now. We're gonna tell you when the break's over, so we'll show you some cool fireworks. Alright, see you guys then. We're gonna pause this video. Alright, we're just gonna showcase some fireworks going on someplace else, some other places. But you can hear those banging sounds, right? Right now, I'm not gonna showcase his face because he doesn't have his jacket on. So yeah.
Might get copyright since there's music going on in the background.
Probably people can't hear it.
Oh yeah, that is true.
Just wait. We gotta let Scully put on his jacket. Scully, it shouldn't take you this long.
Come on! Let's see what I'm doing.
I don't want to go towards me right now. Okay, he's got his jacket on.
I'm back.
Alright. We're looking for... Look at that over there, guys. Look at that over there. You guys see that? You guys see that?
Ooh, look.
You guys see that? You guys see that? Dude, that's so cool.
Oh my god, it looks so cool. Hey, should we call him friend? Should we?
Yeah, we're gonna rush out front to see the view of them.
Huh? We're going out front to see the party.
Yeah, they got a better view out front. Make sure you close the gate, bro. Oh. Oh. Don't think we saw any back here. Yeah. We're gonna have a fun sleepover tonight. Actually, we really actually are. If you guys want to see us like messing around in the room like we did on our previous video, if you haven't seen that, go watch it. Yeah, I hope you guys do. This isn't usually what I'm gonna look like in videos, by the way, cause I forgot my skeleton jacket at home. Okay, bro, let's go back. We didn't really see anything, guys.
Scully here. How are you today?
Oh, by the way, we gotta make the video under 7 minutes. Because look right there. Look right there. So basically, we gotta make the video under 6 minutes. So we're gonna save as much time as we can. Pause. Oh, by the way, guys, sorry if you get creeped out by my mask.
Guys, look at that. Guys, look. No, don't. Look at that, guys. Look. It's not really exciting. We might actually want to get our jackets on. Oh, what? Are they broken? No. Scully, getting my mask.
Okay.
I'm not ready.
Let me real quick get on my mask, guys. Guys, look at that.
Is that bag surprising? But okay.
Yeah, it was short. Oh, we really didn't get it good.
Yeah.
By the way, Scully, since it's like blazing hot out here, you can leave your jacket unzipped.
Not fun. I'll have half the people by now.
Alright, guys, look at that. Look at that. Nothing too exciting, but from a camera, it might look cool.
Oh, my name is Marathon.
Alright, guys, the video is getting a bit long. We can't really show you much more, so we're gonna be saving as much time as possible right now. Well, guys, we barely have any like fireworks left, so we're just gonna use sparklers right now. So we'll see you in the next video. Which Scully is recording on his phone. We only have 6 minutes and 59 seconds to film this video, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Scully, no, leave them on a happy note.
Goodbye. Watch my video that I'm posting right now.
Yeah, bye guys. See you in the next video.